The French Martini is a classic and elegant cocktail that combines the richness of vodka with the fruity flavors of raspberry liqueur and pineapple juice. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ ounces vodka. A quality vodka works best for a smooth taste. ½ ounce Chambord or raspberry liqueur. Chambord is a popular choice, but any raspberry liqueur will do. 2 ounces pineapple juice. Freshly squeezed pineapple juice adds a fresh flavor. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, martini glass, ice cubes, jigger. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker halfway with ice cubes. Pour the vodka, raspberry liqueur, and pineapple juice into the shaker. Shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds to ensure the mixture is well chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini glass for best presentation. Garnish with a raspberry or a twist of lemon if desired. The French Martini originated in the 1980s and gained popularity in the 90s in New York's bar scene. It is credited with bringing flavored martinis into the limelight.